Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X featuring an onyx black with an obsidian rush interior. Under the hood there's a 6.2-liter V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power park brake, power sunroof, power tailgate, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane keep assist, hill descent control, 360-degree camera, a rear view camera display, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock and memory seating, front and rear powered windows, and powered mirrors that can fold in by hitting that there. Storage and cup holders below, as well as our premium Bose speaker. On the side we have AT4X badging. To the left of the driver's seat, power seating, as well as power lumbar, and here are the seats. We can hop inside. To the left when we get inside, we have the power park brake as well as optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, and our lighting controls and the LED cargo bed lighting. Just above that we have our heads-up display. We can go ahead and start up the vehicle. There's the cluster in the middle. To the right of the steering wheel we have the cluster controls as well as Bluetooth controls. And to the left of the steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control as well as forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. We go ahead and take a look in the middle here. We have the dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated for both driver and passenger. Some safety features here including lane keep assist, parking sensors, our traction control as well as hill descent control, as well as our power tailgate. Storage below here with a USB-C and USB plug-in. Some cup holders with some extra storage, and our wireless charger right there. You can take a look at this center console. Pop it open here. USB-C and USB plug-in, as well as a 3-prong. Little storage compartment above, and lots of space below. We can take a look at our infotainment screen now. Check out the radio. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone for Bluetooth. We can also check out the navigation here. It's taking a second to load here. And there it is. You can also take a look at the backup camera with the 360-degree view. And here's our rear view mirror, which you can also flick for the camera display. Above that we have our OnStar and SOS as well as dome lights and our sunroof controls, and there's the sunroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are our wheels. AT4X badging along the bottom. Color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry. Privacy tint on the rear windows. We can make our way to the back here. And to open it up, all we have to do is double click. It'll drop down for us. Plenty of space back here as well as a handle to assist you getting up. And if you look at the bottom here, we have our multi-pro tailgate. So if we click that bottom, we can drop that down, drop this down, kick your speakers in the back, and easier access to the bed. Checking out the rear interior now, here's our door with power windows, storage below, our speaker, here are the seats. You can also just lift them up to get some extra storage back here. We can hop inside. The back of each seat, we have magazine holders. Handles on either side, dome lights at the top. The back of the center console, 2 cup holders, rear heated seats and our main rear vents, as well as the USB-C and USB plug-in. And we can also take a look right here. We can drop that down for an armrest / cup holder. And there's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick review of the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.